Are you facing issues with the Realtek audio driver? Well, worry not, as in this video we will show you how to download Realtek audio drivers for your Windows 11 device. Open your preferred browser and go to the Realtek audio drivers website. We have also included the link in the description box below for easy access. Now, once at the website, find and click on the blue download box. The license agreement will pop up. Accept the agreement, and in a few seconds, your download will begin. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer by pressing on the Windows and E keys. Navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the driver zip file. Next, extract the zip file by clicking on the Extract icon at the top and let it extract first. Once the process is complete, open the extracted folder and search for setup.exe among the files. Once found, just double-click on it and let the setup begin. Once it starts installing, you need to click on Next to advance the setup process in between. Once the drivers are finished installing, you will get two options to restart now or restart later. In our case, we have selected to restart later. And there you have it. You have successfully installed the Realtek audio driver on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Subscribe to Guiding Tech, and why not click on these videos to further advance your tech knowledge?